This is the construction at the Atrium at Navesink Harbor. This project included 140 senior living units throughout a 14-story tower and new 8-story mid-rise containing independent living, memory care, and skilled nursing units. The 8-story addition utilized a poured-in-place, concrete structure method to match the floor heights of the existing, adjacent 14-story tower. Our approach involved real-time curing results, utilizing the concrete maturity testing method, which reduced the schedule and resulted in the project being nominated for the 50th Annual New Jersey Concrete Awards. The complete renovation of the 14-story occupied tower included a new 4-pipe hydronic HVAC system, fire alarm system, and the removal and replacement of the complete exterior curtain wall system. To complete this work, a temporary insulated aluminum curtain wall, including temporary heat and air conditioning units, was constructed in each individual resident room from the 4th level to the 14th level to allow the residents to remain in their unit during construction. The 345-foot waterfront bulkhead and dock on the Navesink River also required complete reconstruction as part of this project, allowing the residents to take river cruises on the facility's pontoon boats.